pointing in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap to the volume section, and just to unmute ringtone on your device you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your finger. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in volume button controls this switcher is turned off, and now just by using volume buttons we can also unmute our device ringtone. So just press your up volume button, and by this way you can see that we can also unmute our device ringtone. And the third way, also really simple, just press your up or down volume button, and then just by slide this volume panel to the up, you can also unmute the ringtone on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.